How to set up your HBO Max account. So first things first, you have to do this process through your HBO app or through the web browser. So let's go ahead. So at the top, you're going to search at the top search bar, you type in HBO Max sign up. Once you do that, you will see various things, but you have to search for HBO Max and the sign up now button. Tap onto it, and once you found it, you will see your interface. You will see various plans, which is basic, with add, standard, and premium plan. The cheapest one is basic. If you would like to select basic, go ahead and tap on the box. There also you will see monthly or yearly plans that you can choose from. Then select continue. At the next page, you might be required to enter your card details, so go ahead and do that. And now, in order to create an account, simply go ahead, type in your email address and select continue. You get to confirm your email address, create yourself a password, put in your first name and your last name, and then select create account. Once you do that, that is it.